Welcome to Bikesphere, the place where legendary motorcycles meet modern innovation. Today's spotlight is on one of the most iconic touring machines ever created, the 2026 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons. For decades, the Goldwing name has defined long-distance luxury, unmatched comfort, and bulletproof reliability. The 2026 model continues that legacy while embracing subtle refinements that elevate the touring experience to an even higher level. A legacy of touring excellence. The Honda Goldwing is more than a motorcycle. It is a benchmark in the touring segment. Since its introduction, it has set standards that others have followed. The 2026 Goldwing 1,800 gallons stays true to this heritage, combining traditional touring values with modern engineering. It remains a machine designed not just to travel far, but to do so effortlessly, comfortably, and confidently across continents. Refined design and timeless styling. Visually, the 2026 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons maintains its instantly recognizable silhouette. The design blends aerodynamic efficiency with elegant styling, giving it a premium presence on the road. Subtle updates enhance its modern appeal while preserving the timeless look that Goldwing enthusiasts admire. Every line and surface serves both function and form. Powerful 1833 cubic centimeters flat six performance. At the heart of the 2026 Goldwing 1,800 gallons is Honda's legendary 1833 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled flat six engine. Smooth, balanced, and immensely refined, this power plant delivers strong low-end torque and silky highway cruising performance. Whether climbing mountain passes or cruising open highways, the engine provides seamless acceleration with minimal vibration. The flat six layout ensures exceptional balance, making the Goldwing feel remarkably composed despite its size. Advanced transmission and smooth riding dynamics. The 2026 model continues to offer Honda's advanced transmission technology, delivering ultra-smooth gear changes and effortless riding. Throttle response is refined for touring comfort, while multiple ride modes allow the motorcycle to adapt to varying road conditions. Long hours in the saddle feel natural and relaxed, reinforcing the Goldwing's reputation as a true grand tourer built for endurance. Premium comfort for long-distance travel. Comfort remains the Goldwing's strongest asset. The 2026 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons features an ergonomically optimized riding position, plush seating, and excellent wind protection. The redesigned fairing and windshield management help reduce fatigue during long rides. Both rider and passenger enjoy generous space, supportive seating, and a stable ride that makes thousands of kilometers feel surprisingly effortless. Cutting-edge technology and infotainment. Honda continues to refine the Goldwing's technology package for 2026. The motorcycle features a sophisticated infotainment system with a large, easy-to-read display that integrates navigation, audio controls, smartphone connectivity, and Bluetooth functionality. Voice-assisted features and intuitive controls ensure that technology enhances the ride rather than distracting from it, keeping the focus on the journey ahead. Safety and rider assistance features. Safety plays a key role in the Goldwing's design philosophy. The 2026 model includes advanced rider assistance systems that improve confidence in all riding conditions. Features such as traction control, advanced braking systems, and stability management work seamlessly in the background. These systems ensure predictable handling and controlled braking, especially during long-distance touring with luggage and a passenger. Touring capability and storage practicality. The Goldwing 1,800 gallons remains one of the most practical touring motorcycles available. Integrated luggage compartments provide ample storage for extended trips, allowing riders to pack everything needed for long adventures. The balanced chassis and low center of gravity ensure that even when fully loaded, the motorcycle remains stable, manageable, and easy to control at both low and high speeds. Final thoughts on the 2026 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons. The 2026 Honda Goldwing 1,800 gallons continues to represent the pinnacle of luxury touring motorcycles. It offers unmatched comfort, refined power delivery, advanced technology, and legendary reliability in one complete package. For riders who value long-distance travel, effortless performance and premium craftsmanship, the Goldwing remains in a class of its own. From city highways to cross-country adventures, the 2026 Goldwing proves once again why it is considered the ultimate touring icon.